Can you stop here for a second? Can you stop here for a second?
Can you sweep the floor? Can you sweep the floor? Can you swim? Can you swim? Can you swim across this river? Can you swim across this river? Can you take a picture of me? Can you take a picture of me?
Can you take a picture of us? Can you take a picture of us? Can you take care of my son? Can you take care of my son? Can you take him outside? Can you take him outside? Can you take me home? Can you take me home? Can you take me there? Can you take me there?
Can you take me to the movies? Can you take me to the movies?
Can you take me to look around? Can you take me to look around? Can you take me to see the sights? Can you take me to see the sights? Can you take me to see your house? Can you take me to see your house? Can you take me to the beach? Can you take me to the beach? Can you take me to the hotel? Can you take me to the hotel?
Can you take one more picture? Can you take one more picture? Can you teach me? Can you teach me? Can you teach me more about this? Can you teach me more about this? Can you teach me to swim? Can you teach me to swim?
Can you tell him to call me? Can you tell him to call me? Can you tell him to come here? Can you tell him to come here? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Can you tell me how to get there? Can you tell me how to get there?
Can you tell me the time? Can you tell me the time?